Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to do a IT presentation, which is tiny bit Bluetooth controller. So before I go to the topic, let me introduce myself first. My name is Reynard Gala Albayan, and my friend usually call me Gala. And here I will do a presentation about the tiny bit Bluetooth controller. So in here, I will explain the meaning of Bluetooth controller, what is the all component of in the tiny bit Bluetooth controller, and how did it work, the conclusion, Q&A, and the last is closing. So, what is Bluetooth controller? Tiny bit Bluetooth controller is the smart device that can be controlled wirelessly from your phone or device. So you can connected your tiny bit to your laptop or your device, and then you can control it from your device to moving it the tiny bit. So, what is the main component of this tiny bit? So, in the tiny bit Bluetooth controller, we use only these three component. That is tiny bit, yeah, for the robot, and then USB cable for moving the code to the microbit letter, and the last is the microphone. Yeah, definitely we need this because yeah, this is the brand of the robot or microcontroller. Nah, after that, uh, in the tiny bit component, there is a microbit, wheels, and then there is in the below that there is a motor also. There is motor, there is battery for the power supply, and others. Okay, how did it work? In the tiny bit Bluetooth controller, we use two application. That is Fluffy Robot for the controlling the tiny bit from your device, and then the make coder for making the coder. So how we make the coder and controlling for this tiny bit, I will show you in here. So firstly, open your microbit make coder. In here I already make it. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, in here I will explain one by one about of this coder. So firstly, there is a on Bluetooth connected show icon checklist. So it means if the Bluetooth on this microbit connected to your device, later LED in your microbit will showing the logo that you give it. Now I give it the checklist logo, and then on start show icon, uh, based on you what you want to place the logo Bluetooth watch service. So if you pressing the start button on your tiny bit, later in the microbit LED will show this emoji and turning on the Bluetooth. Nah, and then on Bluetooth disconnect show icon wrong. Nah, if the Bluetooth is unpaired or disconnecting from your device, later he will show this logo. Okay, this is our main code. So this two code is for programming of the control Bluetooth, and then there is if move up. Nah, so in direct we use direction that is up, down, right, and left. So if we want to control tiny bit forward, we need to type in here up. If we want to control move it uh, to behind, we can type it down. Right is right, left, and the last is the stop in here. So you only need the block the if then else, and then press and then give the move variable in here, and then type based on your direction. Now direction most like this, yeah, up, down, right, left. If not like in the in the like this, maybe it's cannot working. And then car control speed run speed 255. So every direction I give it speed 255, and if direction up or forward I give it run. If go to behind or back or down, I give it direction back, like a strike, left, and yeah, it just just based on the type in the top of it, yeah. So I will practice it to you. Plug the code in your from your USB cable from your device to this microbit. I already download it in this microbit, and then insert it to the this microbit. For insert the microbit to your tiny bit like this, and then go to Lofi robot. Yeah, I use the cardboard your Virobit control microbit, and then you need to pair it to the your microbit Bluetooth first. So you need to press in this top corner emoji, and then just wait for the pair. Wait, you need to plug in first, yeah. Nah, if already, you just click this microbit that already you insert it and pair it. Nah, if it's successfully connected from your device to the microbit, it will show this logo, yeah, or he will say parrot, and then yeah, the result will like this. Nah, you look, he moving forward, is to right, left, and behind. Okay, wait. Okay, the conclusion is this tiny bit Bluetooth controller is a smart device that let you control your robot from a far direction. So you can control it. Example, if you on the corner on that, but your robot in here, you only take the device that already you paired, and then you can control it from your device. Okay, before I closing, there is any question? What?
What the application can use
For controlling the tiny bit.
yeah.
For the controlling tiny bit, I use the Lofi robot, yeah, for controlling the tiny bit. So you need to connect it to the Bluetooth first and have other code that already you download it to the microbit. Okay, there is any question again? If there is no, I will close it. Okay, maybe that's all from me. If I made any mistake from my presentation, please forgive me. And also I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.